Welcome back to another Call of Duty Mobile video. Hit tier 50. Now I'm going to see what the tier 50 rewards look like in-game and in lobby. This is the thing I was excited for, because I've been using the more common version of it. And it's been pretty good, man, like really good. I wanted to see if this is any better. I think I may have to put the 60 round clip back on it with the range, because obviously that's what makes the gun so damn good. Yeah, I figured. Alright, so I'll leave the rest of the attachments how they recommended, even though I don't have my silencer with range and all that I've been using. Let's check out the new skin I just got for the tier 50. Where did he go? There he is. That looks pretty sick. I like it. It's dark, but at the same time he's got that crazy grin looking thing on his face. Alright. Let's put this calling card on. There's my crappy kill to death if you care about that crap. I know I don't. And we're going to jump in a game and just test it out. See how everything goes with all of that.
Capture the objectives.
Alright, so this should be interesting because I haven't really checked the stability or anything or what the difference is going to be without all the attachments I normally use. But it's a good gun, so probably hard to go wrong with attachments on it. Okay. It's definitely louder without the silencer, which is pretty obvious. Doesn't feel like, god damn, that man seriously just tried to do that. Doesn't feel too different. What does that dude doing? He just runs past us like an aiding keeps running. Okay.
Friendly shock RC is coming.
So this. This is gonna be a weird game, I can already tell.
Enemy shock RC is coming.
These people aren't playing like normal. Yeah, if you're gonna try to take B and lay down, maybe face the way I'm coming from, so that way you don't freak out and turn. I don't feel too much of a difference between close quarters combat of having the range attachments on it, god damn it, and having the normal attachments on it. So, still feels pretty much the same. I guess it's just gonna expose me on the minimap, and I don't know, I haven't really had too much of a chance to test its distance to see if it's any different, but I doubt it will be. What is this RC doing? Where are we going?
I'm down!
Ah, okay. So this man just captured B and then went to run around the back so that way he could capture us trying to get in.
We're capturing Bravo.
Pretty smart. This is exactly what I meant in last video by why do people that play domination not capture objectives? Like, so far I've seen like 1-2 people trying to capture the objectives and not getting back up. My team obviously also isn't really capturing that much, but there's at least 2 of us doing it as well. Why do people play domination and not play the objective? I don't understand.
We're capturing Alpha.
I see the same thing in Hardpoint. You get like 1 or 2 tryhards that just want to see how many kills they can get in a single game and not even care that their team isn't capturing the objectives or getting any points whatsoever. That's pretty selfish, dude. Like, if you want to like do that, why don't you just go play Frontline, Team Deathmatch, Free For All? There's plenty of places where you can literally do nothing but kill for points and help the team.
sentry gun.
Anyway, enough complaining. This has been one of the weirdest dominations ever. I guess that's why people are just camping around and hiding and avoiding us.
Sentry gun ready for deployment.
You know what?
Using A.
Have a sentry gun. I'm gonna go fix A. From the one man that's probably trying to capture it while you guys are all trying to get kills. Oh, look at that. My whole team responds to it. See, that's good teamwork.
Hostiles have destroyed your sentry gun.
That's kind of how these games are going to work. Otherwise, you're not going to get teamwork without teamwork in a teamwork-based match.
Contact with enemy.
Where is everybody though? Like, that's so strange. Like, I have seriously come back here 2-3 times and not seen anybody.
Losing Alpha.
And I mean, like, from position to position, like, not when I get there.
Enemy shock RC.
Oh, that explains it. You guys were just camping up in weird places the whole time. Okay. Well, that's the tier 50 guns, rewards. Not too bad. I would still probably use the AGR how I had it set up because it just felt better. It's quieter. But I'm definitely going to use the skin still because that looks sick. That, look at it. The gold. Looks mad. Alright, that's it for this battle pass. Thanks for watching.